is a Codeforce problem, division 3 actually. It's called fair division. It's a really straightforward problems actually. So first of all, the problem is about n candy, and there will be n candies, and each candies will be either 1 gram or 2 gram. Okay, so if 1 gram and 2 gram, so we have to split it that way that you Alice and Bob, the two person, will have the same amount of candies. Okay, and it can be divided. In here you can see that there are two candies, 1 and 1, and because the 1 gram is even, that's why it will print yes. You can actually see. And if the gram 1 is not even, that means it odd, then it will become no. If gram 1 is 0, then we will check gram 2. If gram 2 is even, then we will print yes, else we will print no. Okay, so this is the main summary of our problem actually. Then you can see my Eclipse ID here, and the test cases, of course, I always copy from my notepad and paste it in it. And here I will first use input test cases. You can see that there are total 5 test case. There will be test case, then the input will be total number of candies, and lastly the candies as grams. Okay, okay. Yeah, it will be in the loop, of course. So please, we will use loop for the n candies, which n candies grams. And before using the loop, we have to take two integers which will be count 1 and count 2, which will count 1 and count 2. I'll write it in here, count 1. And this count 1 will count the number 1 grams in our candies. So how many candies which are 1 gram present in there will count, and the count 2 will check how many candies which is gram 2 are in there. Okay, now yeah, now I will put condition. So if weight is equal to 1, then I will increase the count 1. Okay, else weight equal to, else means weight will be 2, so count 2 plus plus. This is Miro board. Here I solved actually the main summary of this problem. Then I start to coding, and here you can see there are 3 two numbers, means there are no count 1, there are no 1 grams, so count 1 will be 0. Okay, if count 1 is 0, then we will have to check grams actually. So how many numbers in the are there in the number 2? 2 grams. Okay, so if 2 grams are even, that means we can split it. If the two if it are not even, then that means there will be remaining something, so it will not have we can split it. So that means we will have to print no. Okay, this is the code. Then if count 1 is not equal to even, then it will print no. Okay, this is the code. Okay, everything is all right. Now I will just submit it. I will just first check if it's okay. So I will put the test cases, and there I can see that 2 yes and 3 no's. Yes, 2 yes and 3 no's. Okay, it's okay. And now I will just submit this code into the submit section actually. No, not submit actually, choose from. I'll submit code in there. Yes, submit, copy paste, fair division problem. Okay, yeah, and package, click package, submit. My code actually it is good, right? If there's any very good solution, please share it with me. I don't know actually. I spent 30 minutes on it actually. And I'm so confused about the problem and how to solve it. Okay guys, thank you.